Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I got from my school vending machine Crystal Pepsi. I never saw these in any other stores, but my school had it in the vending machine. Oh yeah, soda machine, yeah. In this video I'm going to try it out. Let's taste test it. Smells good. Tastes actually pretty good. I don't know if it tastes the same as a normal Pepsi or different, but it tastes the same as Pepsi, but clear. It tastes more like sweet or lemonade taste. Tastes like Sprite or 7-Up. I give it 10 out of 10. Even 100, I would love 100 on Crystal Pepsi. So yeah, it gives this my seal of approval. Good job, Pepsi. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. Peace.